Dive into the graphic design challenge. Are you truly passionate? Let's put your skills to the test. Are you convinced that you're a master of graphic design? Do you believe you've got the knowledge to identify the geniuses behind the world's most iconic logos? https://creativeblock.com/features/best logos and have a firm grasp on influential art and design movements. https://creativeblock.com/inspiration15 influential art design movements you should know and can distinguish between a collage. https://creativeblock.com/features7 things to consider when creating a collage. And a mosaic at a glance? Well, get ready to prove your mettle. Our graphic design quiz is specifically crafted to put even the most seasoned graphic designer through their paces. With 10 carefully selected questions, we'll test your design IQ and see if you're truly passionate about the field. But here's where it gets interesting. With 10 carefully selected questions. If you feel a little rusty or unsure about your design history, don't worry. Brush up on your skills with our comprehensive guide to famous graphic designers. https://www.creativeblock.com/graphic design should know 613321. It's packed with valuable insights and will help you refine your knowledge. And this is the part most people miss. For those craving more challenges, we've got you covered. Try your hand at our album cover artwork quiz. https://graphicdesign/quiz. How well do you know your album cover artwork? Logo quiz. https://design/logos icons. Are you a logo legend, or is graphic design not your passion? Take my quiz to find out, or see if you can catch them all in our Pokemon quiz. https://creativeblock.com/entertainment. I think I just created the hardest Who's That Pokemon quiz of all time. And for an endless supply of brain teasers, head over to our dedicated quiz page, https://quiz. Stay tuned for daily updates on design news, reviews, tutorials, and more, handpicked by our editorial team. Thank you for joining us today. As a token of gratitude, enjoy your first month of unlimited access for just £1, dollar, euro. That's right. Read as many articles as you'd like without any restrictions. Rosie Hilder. Our beloved deputy editor at Creative Block has been instrumental in shaping the site's direction. Starting her career in journalism in Argentina, Rosie quickly rose to become the deputy editor of Time Out Buenos Aires. Upon returning to the UK, she joined Future plc in 2016 and has since contributed to various magazines, including Computer Arts, 3D World, Paint Draw, Mac Life, and Creative Block. Rosie's expertise in managing the site, participating in events like judging the prestigious Brand Impact Awards, and ensuring our content resonates with readers is invaluable.